Welcome to Codecraft, the go-to series for mastering AI and data science tools and libraries. Today, we're diving into the deep end of data manipulation with one of the most powerful tools in our arsenal, Pandas. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your data with tips, tricks, and techniques that will transform the way you handle data analysis and preparation. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's get started. Pandas is not just a library. It's a data wrangler's best friend, capable of turning complex data manipulation tasks into a breeze. But today, we're not just scratching the surface, we're exploring the advanced features and the latest updates that make Pandas an indispensable tool for data scientists. Before we dive into the advanced stuff, let's take a moment to appreciate why Pandas is so essential. Pandas offers an intuitive, powerful, and flexible set of tools for manipulating, analyzing, and visualizing data, all while keeping performance in mind. It's the backbone of data preprocessing in Python, seamlessly bridging the gap between raw data and insightful analysis. Now, let's level up a Pandas game. First up, advanced indexing. Pandas allows for sophisticated indexing options that go beyond the basics. Let's explore multi-index or hierarchical indexing, which opens up a world of possibilities for high-dimensional data analysis. With multi-index, you can easily query and manipulate data across multiple dimensions, enhancing your data analysis capabilities. Pandas shines when it comes to time series analysis. With the latest updates, it's more powerful than ever. Let's check out the as-frequency method for converting a time series to a specified frequency. This feature is incredibly useful for handling missing data in time series, allowing for seamless frequency conversion and data imputation. Handling categorical data efficiently can significantly reduce memory usage and speed up operations. Pandas' support for categorical data is robust and flexible. Let's dive into an example where we convert a column to a categorical type, showcasing the memory savings and performance boost. By converting to categorical type, we're not just optimizing performance, we're also unlocking categorical specific operations such as ordering and comparison. Text data isn't left out of the equation. Pandas' string methods and integration with regular expressions make text manipulation straightforward and efficient. Here's a quick example of using string methods to clean up and transform text data. This simplifies handling and processing of text data, allowing for consistent, efficient manipulations. Staying updated with the latest Pandas features is crucial. The recent versions have introduced enhancements that make data manipulation even more powerful. Whether it's improvements in performance, new methods for handling missing data, or enhanced integration with other data science tools, keeping an eye on the changelog is always beneficial. Now, let's bring everything together with a real-world example. Imagine we are working with a dataset that records daily sales data for a retail store, including dates, product categories, sales figures, and customer email addresses. Our goal? To clean this dataset, analyze sales trends over time, categorize products, and standardize email addresses for a marketing campaign. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's what we did. First, we set the date column as the index and sorted it, preparing our dataset for time series analysis. Next, we used Pandas' resampling method to calculate total sales for each month, giving us a clear view of our sales trends over time. We then tackled the category column by converting it into a categorical type. This not only optimizes our data frame's memory usage, but also prepares us for any category-specific analysis in the future. Finally, we standardized the email addresses to lowercase. This step is crucial for any form of email-based communication, ensuring that our marketing campaign reaches our customers without a hitch. By combining these advanced Pandas features, we have efficiently cleaned and transformed our dataset, readying it for insightful analysis and further action. And there you have it, a practical demonstration of Pandas' power in handling complex data manipulation tasks. Through this example, we have seen how to clean, process, and analyze data in a way that's both efficient and insightful. Remember, the key to mastering data manipulation with Pandas lies in understanding its wide array of features and knowing when and how to apply them. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll unlock the full potential of your data. And that wraps up our deep dive into the advanced realms of data manipulation with Pandas in this episode of Codecraft. Remember, mastery comes with practice, and there's always more to learn and explore. To help you on your journey, we have compiled a detailed blog post that complements this video. You'll find the link to this blog post in the video description below. Whether you're a visual learner who loves following along with the videos or you prefer the written word where you can go at your own pace, we've got you covered. And of course, your feedback is invaluable to us. Let us know what you think about the blog and this video in the comments section. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends and colleagues who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more content designed to help you master AI and data science tools and libraries. Until next time, keep crafting your code with precision, creativity, and curiosity. Happy coding, and see you in the next episode of Codecraft.